Today we're looking at how to use branding on your images to capture attention. This is Bee Livery and they are a nationwide 30 to 90 minute grocery delivery service. And as you can see, they are very much all over social media. They're always posting very super branded images. Now, one of the ones that I really liked here was actually this one. So this was We'll Be There in a Jiffy, as you can see here. And this is all about running low. We can stock up your fridge in under an hour. And then they've got like the little kind of food emojis here, as you can see. And it says that they are a nationwide grocery delivery company. So they've very much captured your attention with the "we will be there in a jiffy." The image captures your attention because you can very much see, I guess, that the lady's run out of food. She looks very upset about it. And it's, kind of tongue-in-cheek, funny. And then the bee obviously matches the branding. So that's something that anybody can do. You can literally go into something like Canva or any other kind of, like photo editing app. And then you can just overlay the image with some text and add in your logo. But it's a really good way of making sure that, you're kind of subtly getting your branding in there. And so people start to recognize it. And as you saw from the rest of their Facebook, they do this a lot. And then you've got the running low, we can stock up your fridge in under an hour. And then they've got the link there as well. So very much telling you, I guess, capturing your attention with, the nice branded image. And then they're telling you exactly what they can do. And then they're basically giving you a call to action, which is click on here without actually saying it. So I just think it's a really strong way of capturing people's attention with something that's quite branded, but actually really super simple that any business can do. Now, if I was these guys, one of the things that I would want to do is to understand more about my dashboard and understand more about, I guess, how social media is working for me. One of the biggest things that you can do is start to understand who's got sort of influence in your conversation. So by influence, we don't mean influencers in that kind of, traditional sense of the word. What we mean is that when you have people talking about you regularly, and this is obviously on the Maybe dashboard, when you've got people talking about you regularly, they then become influencers in your conversation. Now, these are people that are talking about you regularly, hopefully, obviously in a positive way. And on the Maybe dashboard, as you scroll down, you can see who's got influence. So the bigger the circle here, the more these people are talking about you. And what I would want to do is I would want to be clicking in here and understanding a little bit more about what they'd actually posted and why, so that then I can start engaging with them more. The bigger the circle, as I say, the more that they're engaging with you. So if it could be a local newspaper, it could be, for these guys, it could be some customers, for example, it could be food bloggers, it could be reviewers. I would want to be making sure that I am engaging back with these people. And then, of course, you can look at your competitors' influencers. So you can see yours here, your competitors here. And then if that was me, I'd start to go, I wonder why, that these guys aren't engaging with me. I wonder how I can get them to engage more with me. You can start to understand much more about how social media is working for you by understanding who is engaging with you. Now, as always, click on the little blue button. We love to help.